The Emmylou was purpose-built for the tourist industry in the early 1980s to capture the legacy of the paddle steamers of the past. The Emmylou is the only wood-fired passenger steamer offering overnight accommodated cruises anywhere in the world. We cruise from Echuca downstream to Torrumbury, a total distance of around 164 river kilometres. You're going to be exposed to the beauty of the Australian bush. It's a largely uninhabited part of the river. We do also pay respects to the First Nations of Australia. You will see Aboriginal scar trees, canoe trees. On the last night of our cruises, we pull up at an area called Layfield Lane and we go ashore for a sing-along around the fire. Anybody who wants a relaxing holiday, anybody who wants to learn more about Australia's history and especially the history of this region are going to love being on board the Emmylou.